Hi everyone! Today I'm sharing with you how to make stuffed bell peppers in Instant Pot. This recipe I make for years now and it's my family's favorite. The Instant Pot makes it so quick, it only takes 20 minutes of cooking time. Okay, let me show you how I do it. You will need 1 cup of white rice. I recommend to use the short grain rice because it's known for being sticky and that's what makes the bell pepper so good. Of course, you want to wash the rice. Keep draining all the cloudy water and you can stop when the water gets clear. Add 1 cup of clean water to the rice and heat up until water starts to boil. And then you'll reduce the heat to low and close the lid. Cook the rice only for 10 minutes. Now get half of an onion and cut it into small cubes. Just like this. And now get 2 carrots and peel them and shred them on a smaller hole. Now get 3 garlic cloves and peel them. Shred them on the smaller hole. I like to add some dill, but it's optional. Now you'll need about 7 bell peppers. Go with a knife along the stem and clean out all the seeds. I like to go with a spoon along the edges, and then I'll flip it over and give it a tap, and the pepper is clean. Add about 3 tablespoons of olive oil to a pan. Add the onion and start frying it until golden in color. Then add the carrot. Add garlic. Add about half of a cup of tomato sauce. Mix it up and let it fry for a few minutes. You want the sauce to thicken a little bit. Get a large bowl and we're gonna make the filling. Add the fried vegetables first. Add the rice. Add dill. Add 1 pound of ground meat, it can be turkey or beef. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add some black pepper. And then I'm adding my favorite Italian seasoning that has oregano, marjoram, thyme, rosemary, basil, sage. Mix everything together. And now simply stuff the bell peppers. The filling will expand a little bit, so keep that in mind when stuffing. Now let's make the sauce for peppers. To your Instant Pot bowl, add about 3 cups of tomato sauce. And then I like to fill the tomato can with some water, and that's about 2 cups of water I'm adding here. Add half of a cup of sour cream, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Add some black pepper. I'm adding some Italian seasoning here. Mix everything very well, and you can even use a hand blender. I'm adding 2 pieces of bay leaf. And now you can put the peppers in the pot. You want to make sure they're standing with the opening facing upwards. I like to scoop some sauce and put it on top of each pepper to add that extra flavor. Make sure your vent is set on sealing, and we're going to do 20 minutes on meats too. And when the metal button is completely down, that means the pressure is released and you can open the lid. Just look at these peppers. That's the best part, when you open the Instant Pot lid and you have the cooked ready food and all that smell with the steam comes out. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, share it with your friends, and I post new recipes every week, so don't forget to subscribe.